start by popping out the OBD2 connector. Use a pry tool or flathead screwdriver to push one of the tabs and it should come right out. At this point, we're just popping it out, we're not doing anything else with it. Next, using a pry tool, disconnect the side panel. You can just pull down the lower dash with your hand. If you have trouble, you can loosen the clips with a pry tool. Now we have the BCM exposed, which we will be connecting 2 T-harnesses to. There are 3 connectors in a column. We will be connecting to number 2 and number 3. Number 3 is behind the metal brace. Connect the T-harnesses in line with the vehicle's connectors. Disconnect the vehicle's connectors by pushing on the tab. Connect the T-harness to the BCM. Connect the BCM's connectors to the T-harness. Connect the hybrid T-harness over here to the left of the BCM. You may find it easier to connect this T-harness before the BCM T-harnesses. Press on the tab to release the vehicle's connector. Connect the T-harness to the vehicle. Connect the T-harness to the vehicle's connector. Connect the black connector to the main T-harness. Connect the OBD2 T-harness in line with the vehicle's OBD2 connector that we already disconnected. Disconnect the hood latch by pressing on the button if that's in your way. Connect the OBD2 T-harness to the vehicle's connector. Connect the OBD2 T-harness back where the vehicle's connector was.